data display we will explore are box and whisker plots. A box and whisker plot is a data display that organizes data into 4 groups. You have the median dividing the data into an upper and lower half, and then we have the median of the lower half called the lower quartile, and the median of the upper half called the upper quartile. The least data value is the minimum, and the greatest data value is the maximum. You can see these 4 key pieces in a box and whisker plot, which again is dividing the data into 4 groups, or 25% of the data each. So first, let's identify where each key feature is on a box and whisker plot. So let's drag and drop the term to the correct position on the box and whisker plot. So the first one is the median. The median, again, is directly splitting your data in half. So the median is going to be the line right here in the middle of your box. That's in your box and whisker, right? This rectangle is considered the box. Now, your whiskers are going out to your lower minimum and your upper maximum. So all the way to the left, that data point at the end of this left whisker will be the minimum, and this data point all the way to the right at the right whisker is going to be the maximum. Then you have the edges of the rectangle or the box that are connecting the whiskers to the box. So the one towards the minimum or to the left is going to be considered the lower quartile, and the one to the right towards the maximum is going to be considered your upper quartile. So this is what is a box and whisker plot, what it's made of. You have your box or your rectangle, you have your line in the middle for the median, and then you have your minimum and your maximum coming off of lines of that rectangle, which we call the whiskers. Again, here are each piece in the correct spot. And again, that's really showing you in this display where those 5 key data points are, or how you're analyzing your data points and how you can interpret your data. Now, the entire box represents 50% of the data, and then 25% of the data lie in the box on each side of the median. So you see you have your 25% plus your 25%, that's giving you your 50% of the data in the box, and then each whisker is representing the other 25%, right? Altogether, you have 100%, starting at your minimum, going all the way to your maximum, and again, the box is dividing that into half. So you get 50% in the box and 50% out of the box when you look and interpret your box and whisker plot.